Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn long I sound. Write the missing letter of each picture. Long I sound challenge. Complete the words below using the letter in the bubbles. I/E, IE, IGH, Y. Look at the first picture. Fries. Fries. Write the letter I-E in the middle. Fries. Look at the next picture. Kite. Kite. Write the letter I and E. Kite. Look at the next picture. Night. N-I-G-H-T. Night. Write the letter I-G-H. Night. N-I-G-H-T. Night. Idea. I-D-E-A. Idea. Write the letter I in the beginning. Idea. Look at the next picture. Spy. S-P-Y. Spy. S-P-Y. Spy. Pie. P-I-E. Pie. P-I-E. Pie. Ice cream. I-C-E-C-R-E-A-M. Write the letter I in the beginning. Ice cream. Light. L-I-G-H-T. Light. L-I-G-H-T. Light. Fire. F-I-R-E. Fire. Fire. Cry. C-R-Y. Cry. C-R-Y. Cry. Let's repeat again. Fries. Kite. Night. Idea. Spy. Pie. Ice cream. Light. Fire. Cry. Well done, kids. You're doing great. Good job. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.